Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Series 3. We found these at Walmart for $12.88. That is $3 more than I normally pay. This Series 2 LOL Surprise was $9.99. They look about the same size. No, I think Series 3 is slightly larger. They both have 35 characters to collect. The Series 2 has 7 surprises, and the Series 3 has 9. Okay, so I guess you're getting a little bit more. Let's open one up to see our surprises. We have a rocket and a science flask. And I can already tell by reading upside down that this is rocket science. So that's a fun little clue. Let's see what's in the next layer. Here we have 5 stickers that illustrate the different water options that our LOL Surprise doll may have. Layer number 3, we have a sticker that looks like a video game controller. And I believe this sticker is supposed to be a ring. Actually, this is not a sticker, it is a tattoo. The next layer has some instructions. It says, 1, start here. Then you can open a compartment, close, spin, repeat, find the ribbon, flip it over, pull and pop. So first I am going to remove this. Then let's open this, since the arrow is pointing there and all. Oops, was I supposed to do that? Probably not. Okay, let's just pull out the little prize inside. There we go. We should be able to put that back on. Here is our surprise. So let's open it up and see what it is. And we have a little tiny cell phone? Yeah, it's a cell phone that's been cracked. Now we spin to the next section. Here we go, like that. And we can open this one up. There we go. Just close it again. Okay, here we are. Inside here we have a bottle and it says pop. Then we spin again. Open up the next compartment, and this looks like a tiny pair of shoes. Yep, little teal colored shoes. This is actually kind of fun, opening up all of these little tiny compartments. I keep breaking them though. And got a surprise inside. Let's see what this is. This might be an outfit. And it is an outfit. It is a shirt with a puffy vest, a pair of pants, and a shirt wrapped around the waist. Turn it to find the compartment with the ribbon. There it is. Then we turn it over and pull the ribbon. Whoa! Stuff just went flying everywhere. We have little pieces of confetti all over the table, and there are 2 surprise bags. Inside of the smaller bag, we have, this looks like a VR headset. And in the larger bag, this has to be our doll. So here, whoa, she has nothing on. She shows up in her birthday suit. So let's get her dressed right quick. She is going to need those shoes. And here is VR Cutie. They come with a collector's guide so you can see all of the dolls available. VR Cutie is a part of the STEM Club. There is also the Glitterati, Opposites Club, Glam Club, Theater Club, Athletic Club, Retro Club, Rock Club, Swim Club, and Sleepover Club. We can put on her little VR glasses, then place the phone inside, and she looks like she's playing the VR! Let's open another one.
There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the nose.
Here is the ribbon. Let's do the confetti. Operator error. Oh, there we go. This time, the confetti is black and copper to match all of our black and copper accessories. And there was only one bag on the inside, and I'm guessing this is the doll. Oh, she has glitter hair. And she looks too cute in her little glitter outfit. She has black and red shoes, a glitter bottle, and a pair of sunglasses. I just have to squeeze her head a little to get them on. Say hello to Boss Queen. I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. We have 2 more to go, and I can't wait to see who we got this time. The clue is beauty sleep. So this might be one from the Sleepover Club. They are all adorable. Then we have the stickers, the tattoo, which is a black and white kitty. Yeah, this pretty much confirms it. This has to be Snuggle Babe. In our first little compartment, we have an eye mask that does not look like it would match Snuggle Babe. It looks more like something that Sleeping BB would have. And this is the bottle. You can feel it through the wrapper. And there we go. Here is the bottle. It is pearly and yellow. Once we see the outfit, we'll know exactly who it is. So this might be the outfit or an accessory. I don't know. It is the outfit, yellow and pink 2-piece pajamas. This is definitely Sleeping BB. This is just a little accessory, or her shoes. It's probably the shoes. And it is the shoes. They are cute little yellow pom-poms. And here goes the Confetti Pop Surprise. Whoa, we knocked all of the little LOL Surprise dolls down. She has pink and yellow confetti. It's all getting mixed in with our other confetti. Now let's take her out of the package so she can get dressed. Oh wow, she comes with undergarments. And I bet you could pretend like that was a bathing suit. It is somewhat difficult to get her shorts on, but when she is all dressed, she is too cute. And her hair changes color. I know you're supposed to use water, but look, it works with just my hand. Now for our very last one. I am hoping for something from the Retro Club. They are just too cute. I can never peel these right for some reason. And our clue is catwalk. The next layer should just be the stickers. Yep. But this layer should give us another clue. This is the tattoo layer. And it is a bottle of perfume. So far, we have catwalk and perfume. And this is a pacifier? Okay, I have no clue now. In the next compartment, we have, this feels like the outfit, so we'll definitely know here what is inside. It is a pink ruffled 2-piece. I think this is definitely from Glam Club. Show Baby. This is little pink shoes. And this has to be the bottle. It is pink and gold. Get ready for her grand entrance. Not again. There we go. We have 2 packages inside. The small one is a jeweled feather headband, and the other one is Little Miss Show Baby. She has pink hair, and it's pulled into 2 buns in the back. She has a beauty mark and painted pink gloves, and painted on gold stockings. So we've started a pretty cute collection here. VR Cutie is popular. Sleeping BB is fancy. Looking at the list of availability, that means that she is a little harder to find. Boss Queen is rare, yeah! And Show Baby is popular. And we got no doubles today, so I'm happy. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Series 3. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.